Today she's going to be helping me. Hi. I'm Miss Mita and this is my daughter Jaya. And today's tutorial, she is hopefully going to help me with my makeup. If it's actually going to happen. So, Jaya, you want to help me? You going to help me choose the colors? No. Alright, so I'm going to use the EYN Bright Matte 42 color palette. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I actually do love these colors. Dee-dee! Jaya, look at the colors. Look at the colors, Jaya. Yeah, look how pretty that is. Purple, yeah. So, you see how that works? I'm going to be using my P. Louise Shadow Base in number 4. She's 2.5. She's going to be 3 in June. And she's full of life, of pleasure, and very hyper at this moment. So this video is kind of on a whim of Okay, so I'm going to start with my base, and she's going to choose my colors. So I'm just going to dab this on my eyes. And I have not done my eyebrows yet. Jaya, look what Mom's doing. Huh? Look at what I'm doing. I'm adding my shadow base on my eyelids. See this? She is obsessed with my mirror. I don't understand. This is this pretty little design on it, and she takes it anytime she sees it. She likes to take it. She has it in her room. She puts it in her toys. She puts it in her dog's bed. Obviously, I clean it, but it's just, it's like I always have to look for my mirror. Jaya, you gonna help me choose the colors, or Rafi's gonna help us choose the colors? Rafi colors. Okay. So which color? Okay, so which one should we do? This one? Which one is this? Okay. Blue. We're gonna use this one, which is like a dark purple. Jay, are you putting it on? Are you putting it on Ralphie? Come here. Come here. Okay, so you already have purple on your face. Oh, and by the way, I used a Sigma Precision Flat P80 brush. Wait, one color after the other, Jaya. Wait a minute. Don't mix the colors yet. Mom hasn't even gotten into the first color. From Sigma to add my base on my eyelids. I'm going to go in with... Let me see, Jaya, careful. I'm going to go with the Morphe M322 for my crease. This is supposed to be like a daughter-mother tutorial, and she just left me. She left me. So I'm gonna add the blue, which is basically a French word for blue, and I'm gonna add it in my crease, and I'm just dabbing the color on. This is going to be like an easy, it's going to be an easy little tutorial. You want pink next? Or did you see the color pink? wow, yeah, you do have orange in your face. You got a whole bunch of colors right there, huh? So I'm just dabbing it.
Pink.
Pink! Okay, wait a minute, Jay, okay? You gotta help me choose the next color. Dabbing it, dabbing it. Dabbing it. Oh, and I'm not setting my eyeshadow base because with this base, you don't have to set it. You can go in and add your shadow on your lid, on the actual base that we have created, and it really picks up the shadow real nicely. So this has become one of my favorites eyeshadow base, and P. Louise is known for really good eyeshadow bases, and they have different colors too, which I am yet to get. Yeah, but for now I'm using the number 4, and I have created kind of like a V shape, look, and I'm just blending it a little. You want to do this for Mom? Do you want to put this on Mom's face or Mom's eyes? Here, you're supposed to be doing my makeup. Okay, so here you go, baby. Add any color on my eye. Okay. One color after the other, love. And what about Mom? Jaya, what about Mommy? Here. What about Mommy? Here, Jaya. Okay, we're gonna use the head over heels, which is a red color. Put it in my eye. Right here. Oh, pretty. Okay, you want to get another color? Okay, Labyrinth. It's a green color. Very nice. What color next? Oh, okay, some more green. Put it on this side. Oh, nice. Thank you. And the crease, too. Okay, so we're going to go with Granny Smith, which is, yes, a nice green apple. And she mixed it with Bobbin Along, which is like a kind of like a deep blue color. That's very pretty. Can I see? Oh, nice. And what about this eye? Pretty. So, guys, okay. What about other? Okay, Jan, let's use another brush. Okay, baby girl, let's use. Okay, let's use this one. This is a shape brush from Pro. Oh, okay. You're gonna put it yourself. What is this? Let me see. This is a Moda Pro, a shape brush. Slice of blonde. Can I have some too? What about Mom? She can flip. Let me see. Ooh, pretty. Pretty colors. Okay, put orange. Let's do just orange. This is called Heat Wave, and it's a really pretty orangey color. And what about Mommy? Can I have some too?
Pink.
Jaya, can I have some pink color in my eyes? No.
Brown?
Yeah, you can have brown, which is okay. The pink one was Cosmopolitan, and now she's gonna go in with Thread, which is the when I'll do brown first. Okay, she went into Illicit, which is a black, deep black color. Okay, there. Let me see your face. Oh my goodness.
Mouse.
Look, Jaya. Look at your face. Do you like it?
I like it differently.
You like the color that you chose on your face? It's very pretty. It's definitely not on your eyes, it's on your face, but that's okay. This is my dog, Ralphie. This is Ralphie Roo. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's a, what are you? Australian Cattle Dog Fox.
What's that, Mama?
He's a cutie. She used my Morphe M322 brush and used the illicit color on her toys, which is supposed to be on your face. Wait, here. Hey, you can use this one. It has a whole bunch of black shade on it.
No color?
You can color on mommy or on yourself. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
No color?
And you can color if you come next to me. Come here. You look like you're ready to go to war. Come. Look. See how, look at the camera. Whoa. Look at that.
Mama?
So yeah, this was very productive, guys. Jaya, can you come help mommy put my foundation on? Come here. Where is?
Yellow?
You want yellow? Can you put the yellow on mommy's eyes?
Yellow.
Pumpkin, come this way. Come this way. Come the other way, because no one can see you. Come here. Come here. Up. Okay, alright, so here goes dash in the yellow. And this is Hello Sunshine. Sunshine. You put it on your eyes. Right there. Mommy put foundation on here. Look.
And that.
You don't want to put any foundation? And then put some foundation. You want to do it? Here, come put it on my face. Come here. Come here. Look at this. Let's see. Ooh. No? Okay. On your face. Okay. My makeup artist just ran away from me. She decided to put makeup on herself than on me. This was supposed to be. So what we're gonna do next? Foundation. We already did foundation. And then let's stop with the foundation. No more foundation, okay?